So right now I'm going to start posting about testnet airdrop and other airdrop that are not related to Telegram. Okay, in as much as I'm posting Telegram airdrops, I'm going to actually combine lots of airdrop. I know so many of you missed out from this Xeon airdrop that just ended, and for me I think this is the best airdrop for this year, or should I say for now, because there haven't been an airdrop that did more than this. Almost 499 Xeon tokens worth $205,500, right? And this is a very huge money as a Nigerian. Now let me take you to a page to show you on how to start farming a particular airdrop that you will be needing your Mrs. browser. Now before we proceed to that airdrop, you need to download Mrs. browser, because some of these airdrop require you to have those browsers, because you might be needing to, add your wallet extensions in order for you to connect wallet if the need arises. I'm going to be showing you a new airdrop that you can start farming right now. Do not even take a moment, like don't even joke with this particular airdrop. Now let's move to the next page. So this is how Mrs. browser looks like. You can actually get it from your Google Play Store, your App Store, and then you download. Okay, now make sure you're using the latest version for this. All right, currently there are numerous airdrop and farming using this Mrs. browser, which I'll be talking about on this channel. So you have to just stay tuned and turn on bell notifications so that whenever I post a video regarding them, you don't miss out. You see, testnet airdrop, I will always tell you that testnet airdrop are the best, because they are this airdrop that gives you 100 of the token. At the end of the day, those 100 tokens are worth thousands of dollars. You see, as you can see from the first time I showed you. So I'm going to actually start. This is an airdrop I'm running right now. Next, it's called Nezox. I'm using my Mrs. browser to run this. Okay, I'm going to click on this drop down menu to put it in the new tab. Okay, new tab. Okay, now I'm going to paste in this link that I'll be leaving for you guys in the comment section. If you're not farming grass, I've made a series of videos on how to farm grass. You can actually check out those videos in this channel and start farming grass. Now I'm going to paste this link here. Remember I said I'll be leaving this link for you in the comment section and also in the description. Now once you get to the comment section, click on the link. It will take you to your Chrome browser. Now once you go to your Chrome browser, just tap, and the link will be like this. Just tap on the browser section, and then you click on this icon right here to copy. Then after you copy, you can now come back to your Mrs. browser to paste it just like I pasted, and start everything I'm going to be showing in this video step by step. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it. This particular airdrop is called Blessed Network. Please do not joke with it. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving the link to numerous airdrop in the comment section. Okay, what you need to do is to click on them, go and register, and then later on you can actually search add up their extensions. So this is how it looks like, right? And what we need to do right here is to log in with our email address. It says login, so I'm going to put this in the desktop mode by clicking on that. I'm just going to scroll down and put it in a desktop mode so that I will see every single thing that I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to also zoom so that you will also see what I am doing. So desktop mode would enable you see everything just like this. Okay, so here you see the person I'm using someone's link, so the person's code is there. So what I'm going to do here, it says you can actually register with your GitHub account, Google account, or rather just put in your email and click on the login section. So I'm going to put in email right here and then put in login with email, and then we proceed to the next step. So after I put in my email, I clicked on to login with email, and it's taking me to another page where I might be doing some authentication. Authentication might be you verifying your email or putting in a particular code. So I'm just going to let it load so that we know what exactly we're supposed to do in the next page. Okay, so it says I should put in my code. Okay, I'm going to get the 6-digit code and then put it right in there. So here it says I should enter 6-digit verification code that was sent to my email. So I'm going to be using order of my phone to check that. Okay, so I have seen the code right now. You also have to go check your email, copy the code, and make sure you put in the code into these boxes right here. Okay, then after you put it right there, automatically it is going to confirm and take you to another page. Okay, so let's do. So the verification has been done automatically, and it is directing me to another page. So after putting in the code you got from your email, it automatically brings you to this page. Just allow it to load until you see yourself on this page. Okay, now here we are registered, and this is supposed to be counting down and mining, right? But it is not. We need to do one more thing, which is adding the extension. Okay, adding the extension. This is going to be a little bit long video. Okay, now once you register in any project that requires you to add extension in your Kiwi browser or your Mrs. browser, first of all, copy the link to that project, register with your email and everything. Then you can come here and search for what is it called, Chrome Web Store, and you go there, search for the name of that project, and you add the extension. That is how it works. Okay, now I'm going to click on download extension so that I will start mining immediately. I don't want to waste any more time. So once I click on download extension, it takes you to Chrome Web Store, the same website I told you about here. Now I'm going to literally wait for this thing to load up so that I would add this to Chrome. Now as you can see, it has loaded, and you see here it says add to Chrome. Chrome, look at it right here, click on it, add to Chrome. When you add it to Chrome, it is going to be added, and I will show you the part where you're going to be finding it whenever you want to turn it on. As long as you turn it on, it should remain on. Now it says Chrome says whatever, add. I'm going to click on OK to add it to my Mrs. browser. Okay, so let's wait for that to be added, then I'll show you where to access it from. That is just the way to start. You see, we didn't actually start with password, we started with just our email address. It is very, very simple. Now once it is added, you're going to see where it says remove from Chrome. When you say remove from Chrome, it literally means that it has been added. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for that to finish loading up. So finally it has been added to my Chrome. Okay, and what you're seeing here right now, it says remove from Chrome, meaning that it has been added. Okay, so now let's head back to the Bless platform to start mining. Okay, let's head back to our dashboard. You have to be very patient with Mrs. Browser sometimes, because network might be the problem why it, okay, so you just don't have to be in a haste or whatsoever. So after connecting the extension, you can see that it is connected right here. Okay, so how do you see the extension? Click on this icon right here. You're going to find your extension right in this list. Okay, Bless is the last one, which is the one I'm making the video about right now. This is it right here. Whenever you want to get to the mining page, you can just click on the Bless option. It takes you to the mining page, which is like this. Okay, now if you want to go back to the dashboard section, it is very simple. Just click on this little dot close to your node ID. Okay, and click on dashboard, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Okay, it is that simple. You can actually open your dashboard and it takes you to the main dashboard where you're going to see every single thing, analyze every single thing. That is how it works. So there is no task to complete here. There is nothing like complete this task to earn this. The only thing you have to make sure of is to make sure that it is connected and it's running. Okay, your uptime is running. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay.